brand new box. Hey guys, welcome back to Saving Mamasita. I am so excited today because not only do I have a brand new box to my channel, but this one is super freaking unique. You guys know that I do a lot of monthly subscription unboxes, quarterly, annually, all of those different types of boxes, ranging from
beauty, home decor, you name it, pet boxes, self-care boxes, fitness boxes. I do all of those unboxings right here at Saving
Mamasita, along with some other lifestyle videos, product hauls, try-ons, all of those things right here. This one is a brand new one. I am so excited because this one came all the way from Copenhagen. Opening up, this is a big brown box that I got. Inside, this is what it looks like when you open it. So it doesn't have a box inside of a box, it just has the contents straight up in the box. So, looking at the top, we have a little postcard. It actually gives you a list of the items that are in the box as well as their values, which I love. And let me just explain this box to you. This is called the Norlii box. It is lifestyle from Scandinavia. So different items that you're probably not going to be able to find unless you go there yourself to get them. That is why I am so excited for this box, because there are a lot of different products that are unique that you probably wouldn't find online. And if you do find them online, they're going to be super expensive because you're going to have to pay the international shipping and all of that to get it to your house. The theme for this one is called Nordic Bed and Breakfast. So we're going to go ahead and unbox all of these items, you guys. I'm going to read about each item, give you some information about the subscription box itself, and then we will go ahead and rate the box. And when we rate the box, you guys, we rate it based on a scale of 1 to 10. Fun little segment that we do here on our channel to kind of give our opinion and give our review of the box. This is the Norlii box. Let's go ahead and get into it. Spending Sunday mornings with no rush is such a treat. Yes, indeed. We have created a bed and breakfast Scandinavian treat for you, so sit back and enjoy. From Linda Hasselbach, founder of Norlii. So it has a little picture on the front, and then on the back, it has all of the items. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different things inside the box. So when you guys go to the website, it is Norlii, Norlii.com. You're going to get a little bit of information about this Scandinavian subscription box. With this subscription, you're going to get a well-curated interior and accessories every other month so that you can get the highly regarded style quickly. Your home will reflect an exclusive, warm, and inviting atmosphere. They create an extensive collection of home goods that constantly evolves to fit your needs. So they have the bi-monthly subscription for $69.95. Or if you want to do the one-time box, you can pay $79.95. It is the time of year now where these types of things make great gifts. So if you want to send out a holiday gift or a birthday present, anniversary gift, this would be an awesome idea for that hard to buy for person. So
a few moments later.
Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's just paper. But opening it up all the way, look at that. Wow. We've got ourselves a Seagrass basket set. $15 for the set. The Nordic style favors earthy scents or earthy accents, and these 2 baskets from House Doctor add just that. They're made of seagrass and jute with a nice dark border at the top. You can see that. Perfect on your breakfast table for the eggs and some bagels, or maybe you prefer to use them as storage in the bathroom, in the bedroom, in the children's room, or as gift baskets. Yes, that is a super idea. I can definitely see myself using these. These are super adorable. So you've got a small one, which is about the size of like a salad bowl, cereal bowl, soup bowl, a little bit smaller. And then this is a larger one. So very cute. Isn't that adorable? Next up, it looks like we have some sort of yummy goodness here. It's in its own bag. What is it? Oh, Swedish Cloudberry Jam. Cloudberries are a delicacy from Nordic countries. The berries only grow in the wild and only in northern climates, making them rare and costly. But the delicate taste ranging between sweet and somewhat acidy have made the cloudberries popular in the Scandi kitchen. I have included the Swedish Cloudberry Jam in your box. Use it wisely. I will have more jam available on the Norlii web store should you fall entirely in love with this Scandinavian favorite. Oh my goodness. Look at that, you guys. Okay, this has a $15 value. Let's open this. Oh, am I gonna spill it? Yum. Smells so good. Let's taste it. Yum, yum, yum. What a treat. I am so excited for that. Next, we have a natural horn spoon. Let's open this up. This is super awesome. So on a trip around Denmark, she found an old and beautiful workshop where they skillfully produced various items in horn. She was amazed about the uniqueness and the slow process in a small-scale artisanship. Look at that. Wow, that is freaking gorgeous. There are approximately 18 work processes involved in manufacturing a horn spoon, where the raw horn is selected, sawed, rubbed, shaped, cut, sanded, polished, and checked. A horn spoon is ideal for your jars. The light weight of the spoon makes sure that it doesn't sink to the bottom of the jar. Wow, $17 for that. Wow. Now we have a linen pillowcase. Here we go. 100% soft linens from I.B. Lorson. The soft linen provides a luxurious and relaxed look to your home, and the rectangular form makes it perfect for a chair or in your bed. Okay, so she included this pillow as well with the duck feathers in it. That is super cool. So the pillowcase has a zipper insert, which I like that a lot. It has a $55 value on it. Look at this. Let me zip it up. Cool. Then we have 2 egg cups. Okay, so eating soft-boiled eggs is part of many Scandinavians' morning routine, especially on the weekends. It's almost an art form, getting the egg boiled just right, peeling the top of the egg gently, adding a touch of salt, and then taking your sweet time enjoying it. Eggs are a healthy and enjoyable part of the breakfast, and I hope you will go for the delicious soft-boiled version. These 2 egg cups are very modern in the style, and the reactive glaze gives the egg cups an extra glow. $15 value on these. So let's open this up and take a look. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Aren't those adorable? Wow. There's 2 of them included inside the box. Super gorgeous. So those have a $15 value. The natural horn spoon had a $17 value. And then the Cloudberry Jam has a $15 value. The basket set, which I love, $15 for the set. And then the linen pillowcase, including the filler, is $55. All of those items for $79.95 for the one-time purchase. We got the baskets, we got the spoon, super cool spoon. This jam, the egg cups, 2 of these. Pillow with the duck feathers, super, super luxurious. Let's go ahead and do our thing and rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. When we rate a box, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't buy that box. And 10, yes queen, you need to buy this box. I love the variety of the items. I loved the descriptions of each item. I really learned a lot with the descriptions that she gave, and I love that she really put a lot of thought into this box. If home decor items, unique, worldly home decor items are something that really interests you, this would be a box that would definitely be a fun one for you to try, for sure. This is the Norlii box, you guys, Norlii.com. You can check them out. If you're interested, I have a code down below that you can check out and get the box for $10 off your first box. So, all right, let's go ahead and rate the box. Drum roll, please. A 7. I don't know how you did it, Linda, but it's packaged perfectly. The price is a lot cheaper than I thought it would be, considering it was being shipped internationally. That was a pleasant surprise. I love the baskets. Oh my gosh, I'm going to definitely eat that jam up. The egg cups. I don't necessarily know that I'm gonna use these. Maybe we could use for like a shot glass or something like that. You can use it for other things too, but super cute, super, super cute. So thank you so much for sending me the box. I really enjoyed it. If you guys are interested in this box, go ahead and check it out down below. I will leave my code down there for you to check it out. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe button, notification